In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn job title in just 5 minutes. Whether you've recently been promoted, switched careers, or are refining your profile for better visibility, updating your job title is a breeze. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you feel confident in maintaining your LinkedIn profile's accuracy and professionalism. Let's get started by navigating to LinkedIn. If you haven't already, fire up your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that Sign In button and enter your credentials if you haven't already. This will direct you to your LinkedIn home feed, where you can access your profile, network, and more. Upon reaching your homepage, the next step is to navigate to your profile. You'll want to click on the small icon that represents your profile photo or your current profile label, which is typically located at the top of the page. This will take you directly to your profile page, allowing you to make edits and updates as needed. With your profile displayed in front of you, direct your attention to the Experience section. This area chronicles your work history and accomplishments. Click on the Experience header or the pencil icon nearby to begin making edits. This section can profoundly influence how potential employers, colleagues, and networks perceive your professional history, so it's important to keep it updated. Once you're in edit mode for the Experience section, you will see a list of your current and past job roles. Find the particular position for which you'd like to update the job title and look for the Edit option beside it. Clicking this will open up a form where you can make necessary changes. Now, you're ready to update your job title. Click on the Title field and carefully type in your new job title. Be precise with your changes. Your job title not only reflects your current role, but also acts as a keyword that recruiters often search for, so it should accurately portray your present responsibilities. After you've edited your job title, double-check that all the details are correct. Once satisfied with the changes, be sure to scroll to the bottom and save your updates. Click the Save button to ensure that all your modifications are stored and reflected in your profile immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn job title in under 5 minutes. Keeping your LinkedIn profile current is crucial for career advancement and networking opportunities. Regular updates and attention to your profile can open doors and present new opportunities, making these simple steps well worth your time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in maintaining your professional online presence.